all of a sudden a car pulls out. Not all of a sudden, I saw it pulling out from afar, so I waited patiently behind it, and as it moved forward a little bit, it had the indicator on, but I didn't realize that it had the hazard lights on here. I can't go back. So I was almost like I'm in a slaughterhouse, like I was just waiting to be run over. So eventually he saw me, stopped the vehicle, and as you can see from here, he's trying to apologize, saying sorry. But all I wanted was for him to just drive forward so that I can move off. Now thankfully, the Yzf R Yamaha 125cc motorcycle is so light that I could actually tilt it a little bit to reduce impact. And if it wasn't for the tilting, I could have probably been dropped down off the motorcycle. So yeah, hope you can learn from it. I'll learn from it. I'm never too close to anybody, and if I am, I normally stick to the side. Try to be to the right side of them. Don't try and be in the middle. If it's a van, you cannot see. If it's a lorry, you cannot see. A bus, they cannot see. And for majority of the drivers, they don't look at the middle mirror when they're reversing. They're looking just to the sides and